In a forest dark, a boy with his flock, feelin' kinda bored. Only his dog and his flute, in his world, nothing scored. One day he got an idea, kinda sly, kinda neat. If a wolf comes, his boss said, yell, beat feet. So he thought he'd play a game, make a scene. Ran to the village, yellin' wolf. Wolf, like a dream. The villagers came runnin', fast on their feet. But no wolf, just a laugh, the boy's trick complete. Later on, he did it again, shoutin' wolf. Wolf, in the air. Villagers came to find nothing, the boy with that same old flair. But then, one evening, things got real in the game. A real wolf came prowlin', fierce and untame. The boy, now scared, ran yellin' wolf. Wolf, in fright. But the villagers stayed put, thinkin' it's just another night. The wolf attacked, fierce, into the forest it fled. Leaving the boy alone, in the fading light. Lying's a game that can turn, bite you back. A lesson learned hard by the boy with his pack.